Hi, welcome to Inside Censhare. I'm Ian Truscott, VP of Global Marketing. In this video series, I'm going to introduce you to a number of my colleagues, our clients, our partners, so you can get a taste of who we are here at Censhare and what we do and how we can help. Please enjoy this episode. Hi, welcome to Inside Censhare. I'm Ian Truscott, VP Global Marketing. Today, I'm joined by Peter Makovitzky, correct?
You got it right. Thank you very much. Great to be here.
Great, well, nice to have you, Peter. And what is it that you do here at Censhare?
So I am a VP of Business Solutions. So I'm basically wearing, if you wish, the customer's hat. So if I look at our organization, look at our solutions, our services, I'm always having our customers in mind, if you wish. So this is my perspective. Okay,
so you're visiting customers when they decide they want Censhare, or do you visit beforehand?
Well, I basically help them to, very good question. So first of all, I'm going to be on those calls the first time we talk to customers. I'm going out to customers to visit them for workshops, for whiteboard sessions.
Right.
So every time it's about Censhare solutions that will be a piece in a bigger picture, bigger technical business architecture.
Right.
Well, I'm the go-to guy, if you wish.
Right. So there's a recognition there that software isn't the 100% solving the client's problems. Is that what you're saying?
Well, I usually don't tend to talk about software. So it's nothing. What I'm doing is about software. It's about the business perspective.
Right. Okay.
So if you wish, if you look at the how, which technically would be software. Those features that includes the process. I rather talk about the who, the why, and the what.
Right.
So who would use that piece of software? What would that person, what would that organization, that business, that part of the business use it for? And of course, the biggest imperative is the objective. So what is the objective to use that piece of software, piece of business solution in regards of the business outcome?
Oh, right. So you're focused on outcomes. You're focused on what's the bigger picture with this project.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So absolutely.
And what are the sort of challenges you're seeing right now?
So just to give you one, which I tend to call the impending marketing heart attack.
Oh, I'm worried about that.
Yeah, most customers are. So if you look at companies, just to give you one example, you've got digital media. So digital media tends to live on desktop, tends to live on shares, tends to live somewhere in the cloud. So the larger and more multinational the organization, the more suppliers, marketing suppliers you might have.
Right.
Like agencies, like merchandising suppliers, like studios who shoot your images. The more you tend to have a challenge, a huge challenge to manage those media files.
Right.
So this is where I might come in and tell them how to optimize that, how to come up with a better solution.
Right.
But at the end of the day, the more images, the more multinational size, the more suppliers, the closer actually you are to the impending marketing heart attack.
Wow. So it sounds like you find like a tactical problem and start that conversation, actually find it's actually a strategic challenge within that organization.
Yes. So usually what I help customers is, because they can tell you about the problem, tell you about the issue, but they do not really how to articulate that, and how to map it out, how to look at how the next generation solution might look like.
Right.
They don't know best practice, so this is where I can help them with best practice. That might be our customers' practice, might be someone else's practice. At the end of the day, what I can do is I can define those capability buckets, where I can help them basically close those gaps and come to a desired state, which by the way I can help them define.
Oh, that sounds excellent. Well, thank you for joining me, Peter.
Thank you for having me.
And thanks for joining us here on Inside Censhare.